This is a very quick video showing you how to convert between pKa, Ka, and Kb. So if you are given a pKa value and you need to convert it back to a Ka, we use the inverse log button, which is 10 to the x on your calculator, and we do the negative pKa value. So if you've got this example here where you've got ammonium ions with a pKa value of 9.24, to find their Ka value, you use your calculator and use the inverse log and go negative 9.24. And your calculator will give you this value, which is 5.75 times 10 to the negative 10. Remember, Ka does not have units. We use this expression to calculate between converting a Ka to a Kb. So we'll need to rearrange this expression so that Kb equals 1 times 10 to the negative 14. Okay, so that's that one there. And we'll need to put Ka on the other side of the equal sign, so divide by Ka. So taking our Ka value we've just got in step 1, which was 5.75 times 10 to the negative 10, if we now place that into this equation, you can find your Kb value. Okay, so that is how you go from starting off with a pKa of 9.24, first convert it to your Ka. Once you've got your Ka, substitute it in, and then you get your Kb, and you're done. Have a go and see how good you are. Do page 277. See you in the next video.